Imagine starting your day with a cup of tea that not only refreshes you, but also supercharges your health. The question now is Moringa tea a better option for your health needs, or is your favorite green tea still the best? Stay with me as we dive into a head-to-head battle of Moringa tea versus green tea to uncover which one deserves a spot in your cup. Tea lovers worldwide are always on the hunt for the next best thing that combines taste and wellness. Green tea has held the crown for decades, hailed as a powerhouse of antioxidants and a go-to for weight loss and overall health. But recently, Moringa tea, a brew made from the leaves of the moringa tree, also known as the miracle tree, has been gaining buzz. Both teas have unique qualities, but which is the healthier choice? In this analysis, we'll compare these two titans of the tea world based on nutrition, benefits, preparation, and side effects, enabling you to make the most informed decision for your health journey. 1. Nutritional profile: Moringa tea versus green tea. Let's begin with the nutritional heavyweights. Moringa leaves are packed with essential nutrients. A single serving contains high levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, iron, and protein. Moringa is also a rich source of antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, known for their ability to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Additionally, moringa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a rare plant-based complete protein source. Green tea is a strong antioxidant and is well known for having a high concentration of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. It also provides small amounts of vitamins like B2 and B3, along with minerals like manganese and magnesium. Its amino acid, theanine, contributes to its calming yet alerting effects. Winner: while both teas are full of nutrients. A nutritional powerhouse, Moringa tea has a wider range of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids than other teas. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. 2. Health benefits comparison. Green tea's EGCG is legendary for protecting cells from oxidative stress, possibly reducing the chance of developing long-term conditions like cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders. Moringa tea is no slouch either, boasting 46 types of antioxidants. It fights inflammation and supports overall immunity. Research suggests its antioxidants may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. Green tea is famous for its metabolism-boosting properties, making it a staple in weight loss plans. Studies show that green tea can enhance fat oxidation during exercise. Moringa tea can support weight management by reducing inflammation and balancing blood sugar levels. Although it does not have the same thermogenic effects as green tea, it does improve digestion. Green tea contains caffeine and theanine, which together provide a calm yet alert state of mind, ideal for those who need focus without the jitters. Moringa tea, on the other hand, is caffeine-free but energizing due to its nutrient density, making it a great option for those who are caffeine-sensitive or prefer natural energy. Both teas help reduce bad cholesterol and improve blood circulation. Green tea has slightly more research backing its cardiovascular benefits, but moringa shows promising results in reducing arterial plaque formation. While green tea's antioxidants provide immune protection, moringa tea contains compounds like vitamins A and C that actively support immune cell activity and detoxify the body. For weight loss and mental alertness, green tea shines. For overall nutrition, immune support, and balanced energy, moringa takes the lead. 3. Unique benefits of each tea. Green tea boosts brain function and memory, reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, improves skin health by fighting acne, reducing redness, and delaying signs of aging, may help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels. Moringa tea, on the other hand, helps women during menopause by promoting hormonal balance, helps detoxify the body by enhancing liver function and flushing out toxins, improves digestion and combats nutrient deficiencies, especially in populations with limited access to diverse foods, contains antimicrobial properties that help fight infections and promote gut health, promotes healthy hair and skin due to its high content of vitamins and minerals. 4. Preparation and taste. Green tea requires careful brewing to avoid bitterness. Use water at 75-85 degrees and steep for 2-3 minutes. It has a light, earthy, and faintly grassy flavor. Moringa tea is easier to brew and forgiving in preparation. It can be steeped in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes without losing its mild flavor. It is mild with a hint of nuttiness and earthiness. Pairs well with lemon, honey, ginger, or cinnamon for added flavor and health benefits. Winner: Moringa tea takes the lead for simplicity and versatility, especially for beginners or those seeking customization. 5. Cultural significance and historical uses. Green tea is originated in China and is deeply rooted in Asian traditions, used in ceremonies, meditation, and wellness rituals for centuries. Revered in Japanese tea ceremonies as a symbol of mindfulness, simplicity, and respect. Moringa tea traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 5,000 years. Known for treating a variety of ailments from digestive issues to skin problems. Often referred to as nature's medicine cabinet in African and Indian cultures, where the moringa tree is celebrated for its life-sustaining properties. 6. Side effects to consider. Overconsumption of green tea can cause jitteriness, insomnia, or digestive discomfort due to caffeine. May interfere with iron absorption. Drinking on an empty stomach might lead to nausea for some individuals. Moringa tea is generally safe, but excessive intake might lead to digestive issues for some people. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before consuming, as high doses of moringa may affect the uterus. Consuming moringa in unregulated quantities might lead to mild laxative effects. Winner. Moringa tea is gentler on the system, especially for those sensitive to caffeine. 7. Environmental and ethical considerations. Green tea requires significant water resources and cultivation space. Some tea plantations have been criticized for unsustainable practices. Choose certified organic or fair trade options to support ethical production. The moringa tree is drought-resistant and sustainable, thriving in arid climates with minimal water. Its cultivation often supports small farmers in developing regions and helps combat deforestation. Winner. Moringa tea has a more sustainable and ethical edge. 8. Which tea is right for you? Ultimately, the choice boils down to your health goals and lifestyle. Choose green tea if you're looking to lose weight or boost metabolism. You enjoy the energy boost from caffeine. You're seeking scientifically backed benefits for brain and heart health. Choose Moringa tea if you want a caffeine-free, nutrient-packed tea. You're focused on overall nourishment and hormonal balance. You're sensitive to caffeine or need a detoxifying boost. Sustainability and ethical sourcing are important to you. So, which is the healthier choice? The answer isn't black and white. Both moringa tea and green tea offer unique benefits that can complement your wellness routine. Why not experiment and see which tea works best for your body? You could even alternate between the two, enjoying the specific advantages of each. Whether you stick to the tried and true green tea or explore the wonders of moringa, you're making a choice that supports your health. Remember, best tea is the one that suits your needs and keeps you coming back for another cup. If you've tried both, let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video. Subscribing to the channel takes just a moment, but it makes a world of difference. Thanks for watching.